When this series began, we mentioned the pre-qualification process and finding a lender. By this point, you were starting to seriously look at homes, and it's now time to pick the lender.
In this step, you want to move from pre-qualification to pre-approval. Now, pre-approval is not a loan guarantee, but it does indicate that your lender has reviewed your credit and provides a number that they're willing to lend. You'll want to use this letter when making offers on homes, so keep a copy of it handy, or better yet, have your lender supply a copy to your buyer's agent.
Pre-approval requires that you provide information to your lender and that you complete a loan application. The lender will review the 4 C's: capacity, which is your current and future ability to make your payments; capital, which is cash reserves in the form of savings or investments that can be sold quickly; collateral, the home or type of home you wish to purchase; and credit, your history of paying bills and other debts on time.
You're usually required to provide paperwork to the lender during this process that includes pay stubs from at least the past 30 days, tax returns, including W-2s for the past 2 years, and bank statements from the past 2 months to past 3 months, including your checking, savings, and any money market accounts. We suggest making extra copies of all these documents because they occasionally do get lost when they're traveling through underwriting.
The most important thing to remember at this point is this: your pre-approval is based on your current situation. We know that people get super excited and want to buy new furniture for their new home. Any loans or credit application taken out between your application for your home loan and the closing of the home could prevent you from purchasing that home. The 90 days same as cash furniture ads look great on paper, but it's never a good day when a client buys a new living room suite for their new home and they can't purchase that new home.
At this point in the process, your lender and your realtor will be working together to ensure that you are able to purchase your home on time.